Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to discuss the third case of BRS. Till now, we have discussed the two cases in which we used to uh, make the corrections according to the passbook provided by the bank in our cash book. That means we assume that passbook is correct, and that's why we make the corrections. Either we add or subtract the amount according to the passbook. But in third and fourth case, just opposite is going to happen. We have to revert the entries. Whatever we used to add in the first two cases, in third and fourth case, we have to subtract those entries, while in the first two cases, where we used to subtract in third and fourth cases, we have to add those entries. Okay, the third case is when debit balance or overdraft balance as per passbook is given. So let us start this question I have taken from the exercise given at the back in the chapter BRS of the book Accountancy, written by D.K. Goyal. Let us read this question and make the entries one by one. Prepare the bank reconciliation statement from the following particulars for the period ending 31st December 2012. So the first entry A1 is overdraft as per passbook on 31st December 2012, 7,600 rupees. So after reading this, we can understand that this is the third case where overdraft as per passbook is given. So first make the entry of this in BRS format, as I have already prepared. So in the particulars column, write the point A and write here as overdraft as per passbook, and this amount is an overdraft, or we may say debit balance, so it should be mentioned in a minus column. B. Checks deposited but not collected by the bank, 8,560 rupees. So the check which we have received, a company has received, has been submitted to the bank, but still they are not cleared. So let's see the B1. I have written here in a particulars column, checks deposited with the bank but not yet collected, and this amount is to be written in the plus column. Okay, now the third one, the C. Incidental charges not recorded in a cash book, rupees 80. So in this, you can see in particulars C, incidental charges, and 80 rupees is to be mentioned in the plus column. D1. Checks were issued for 7,800 rupees, but only 4,400 were presented for payment. So we have a company have issued the checks, but checks for only rupees 4,400 has been submitted by our creditors in the bank. So let's see the D1 in a particulars, checks issued but not yet presented for payment, and in this we have to find the difference of 7,800 and 4,400, and the difference amount has to be mentioned in the minus item, that is 3,400 rupees. Now the E1, insurance premium paid by a bank not recorded in a cash book, 4,200 rupees. So you can see in particulars, E1, insurance premium paid by a bank, 4,200 rupees, in plus column we have to write. The F1, on 31st December 2012, cash was deposited in bank for rupees 385, but the cashier debited the bank column with rupees 485 by mistake. So there is a mistake of 100 rupees. So you can see in F1 in particulars that amount wrongly debited in a bank column in the cash book. So the difference amount has to be mentioned in a plus column. So after making all the entries, we have to again add minus column and plus column separately to find the total amount. That comes to be 12,940 in plus item column and 11,000 in minus item column. Okay, so at the end we have to write in particulars debit as per cash book, and the difference amount of these two has to be written in front of this, as debit balance is more. That's why we are going to write 1940 rupees in the plus column. Okay, whenever we start with the passbook from the top, we always reach at the cash book at the end, and whatever amounts come in a plus or minus column, on that basis we have to write either it is a debit or credit balance. Okay, as the amount has been the in the achieved in the plus column, that's why it is a debit balance. If the same amount comes in minus column, then it would be a credit balance. That means overdraft or unfavorable condition it would be there. I hope you all have understand. Thank you.